What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to be taking the Vigor out for a cruise in January. The last day that I drove it, it was like rainy, so it's kind of a little bit dirty. So just gonna take it for a quick wash because all the roads are like super dry. There's rocks and stuff on them, but it's a wrap. It'll get changed at some point. It'll get chips, but I'll drive nice anyway. So after the car wash, I'll let you guys in on my announcement that I have to make, and then we'll wrap that up. And next video we'll be continuing design on the wide body. I'll probably start on the front fenders first, complete the design for the front fenders, and then after those are done, then I'll work on the design for the rear door into the rear quarter panel stuff. Then we'll get to 3D printing and mold making and all that fun stuff and mounting it, and hopefully get this thing buttoned up within the next couple months. This like low light with this wrap looks pretty freaking cool. Anyway, yeah, let's top up some fluids in this thing, because you all know that it's a Honda and it burns a little bit of oil. I need a new rad actually also, because my rad has a crack in the top of it, so it's leaking a little bit. 90s car problems. Need my trusty tire pressure gauge. Wow. Alright, so I definitely need to get some fuel and fill up air in my tires, because my tires are at like 20 psi. Probably shouldn't even drive to the gas station, but you know what they say, damned if you do, damned if you don't. Am I right? Okay, let's go. Let's get Gurn. Man, I need to finish my wide body. This thing rubs bad. Not as bad as some. Definitely could be worse, but it's not as drivable as I would like it to be. Alright. We'll just pull in here. I will bring you guys out to wash my car with me. up. Let's head back to the house. Alright guys, I better turn on my headlights. There we go. And I lied, it's not back to the house. Gotta go get some gas first. Like insert sound here. Perpendicular fueling. Nah, just kidding. Low and slow, baby. I like to sound fast and just hit a bunch of potholes, but I'm really not fast. Alright guys, so now to talk about what you've been waiting to hear about. At the beginning of this video, clearly you probably noticed that the intro was different and it said Zach Wheeler. 9 Lines, the brand, was initially founded by myself and my best friend slash cousin, Brett. And the both of us we were just tired of doing nothing, and we really wanted to like start something and for me personally, I wanted to like get back into the car community and start doing car things again like we did when we were a bit younger, like throughout high school and stuff like that. So that was kind of why we started 9 Lines, and we started a brand just because, I don't know, it seemed like a fun thing to do. And so we started 9 Lines. 9 Lines is basically ended up at the number 9 lines, but it was actually kind of derived from like the German word nine, meaning no, and lines just meaning lines. So the deeper meaning kind of ended up being no lines, leading towards like no limits, chase after your dreams, like that kind of meaning. So that's what 9 Lines was. And I guess we started that almost probably just over 2 years ago already, because time goes so freaking fast. But basically this last year and everything, it really felt more like a chore that wasn't motivating us to actually like follow it all the way. It's taught me a lot. Like I did all the graphic design and everything like that. And if you've met us or met me, it was a lot of fun. Like definitely made some good memories and met a lot of awesome people through it. But I think going forward, it's just something that the brand name doesn't resonate anymore. And it just doesn't feel like something that's really like we're passionate about. So because of that, 9 Lines is going to be closing. So the brand will be closing. I'm not sure exactly what date yet, but probably fairly soon here we're going to do like a closing out sale, all the stuff that we have left in stock on the website to try and get rid of everything. And there'll probably be some wicked deals on there. We still got hoodies, we still got windbreakers, we still got some t-shirts, hats, lanyards, key tags, all the stickers, like a bunch of different accessories and things like that. And they're all really good quality. It's really difficult to kind of tap into the online market, which is where you need to be to really have a brand snowball into something bigger. And also, I went into it knowing that typically something like a brand, or anything for that matter, is usually a 3 to 5 year commitment. So if you really want to see it through and you're really passionate about it, of consistently putting in the work, putting in the effort, putting in the time, it will grow. But I just think that before I spend another 3 years on Nine Lines, the brand, I just feel like there's something else in the cards. So that's what's happening. The YouTube channel is going to transition away from Nine Lines, and it's going to become more of a personal brand for me, myself. So that's why it's going to transition to Zach Wheeler. And then it's going to be all about just car content and vlog content. And I just want to keep like kind of growing and focusing on YouTube instead of worrying about a brand, at least for the next year. Maybe after a year, I'll want to try something else or try another brand or something at that point. But for the next year and for this next car season, I kind of want to just focus on my car, for one, because I've been really slacking on the wide body stuff. I want to focus on some other personal things. I want to focus a lot more on YouTube and kind of trying to grow myself and grow the content and grow the quality of the content that I'm putting out, because this is fun. Like I enjoy doing this stuff and like making vlogs and kind of learning to get into this videography and all this stuff. I'm having a lot of fun doing that. So thank you to you guys for all your support so far, and everyone who has supported Nine Lines as a brand since we started. Like, huge shout out to all of you. Huge shout out to the 314 subscribers we have so far. Thank you guys. And yeah, I just hope to continue growing, work on my personal stuff, work on my car, work on bringing better content to you guys. So if there's anything that you see that you want, literally anything, drop a comment, drop some likes, let me know what something that you'd want to see, and we'll see if we can't make that happen. So going forward, yeah, so we're going to transition to, the channel's going to all change over to Zach Wheeler. Nine Lines is going to be shutting down, and we're going to be doing a closeout sale. So keep an eye on that. Definitely, we will be posting that when we're ready for that. So anyways, I'm excited to start this next chapter, and it's not like it's just giving up or just like throwing away what has been started. It's just that the brand doesn't resonate anymore, and being not passionate about something makes it very difficult to actually be motivated to build it. So I know that there will be more opportunities in the future, and instead of this closing the door, the saying comes to mind, one door closing is another one opening. So this is kind of just opening up more to be able to kind of pursue some other things and put my focus elsewhere, and something else is for sure going to come down the road. So we'll just keep moving on. So that's the big news, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for watching these videos. Make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.